Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making 3 different types of pakora. We're going to start with the Laccha pakora, and you need 1 cup of ground flour and half a cup of eggplant, 4 tablespoons of chopped mint, 1 sliced tomato, 1 cup of roughly chopped spinach, 1 medium sliced onion, 2 to 3 spring onion, 1 sliced potato, 4 tablespoons chopped coriander. The spices you will need is 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of allspice powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon zeera powder, and 3 tablespoon chaat masala. We're going to start off by combining all of the ingredients together. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of anaar dana. I'm going to start off by adding half of the gram flour. Depending on how much you need, you can add the rest. We're not going to add too much gram flour. It all depends on how many ingredients you have. Laccha pakora does not need too much gram flour, just enough to coat some of the veggies. Now slowly I'm going to add some water. I'm only going to add enough just to have all the ingredients combined together. After mixing well, you should have this consistency. Now we will make the batter for the potato and eggplants. You will need 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 cup of gram flour. You need chicken tikka masala, 3 tablespoons, and crushed coriander, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon black pepper and 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain. Now we're going to combine all of our ingredients and slowly add water to create a paste. This is the consistency you're going to be looking for, not too runny and not too hard. Now we're going to start slicing our eggplant. I have about a medium-sized eggplant. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala just to give it a little more flavor. Now we're going to cut the potato in the same way. Peel the potato first and then slice. On the potatoes, I just sprinkled a little bit of tandoori masala. Now that we have all of our ingredients, let's start frying. We're going to add oil to a pan and let it heat up. Once the oil is heated up, I'm going to start with the eggplant. I'm going to take one eggplant, dip it in the batter, and then place it in the oil. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you're going to flip the eggplant. Once they're golden brown, you're going to remove it on a paper towel. Now we're going to repeat the same process with the potatoes. These also take 1 to 2 minutes to cook on each side. Now this is the last type of pakora we're making. This is the laccha pakora. You're just going to scoop some batter into your hand and place it in the oil. I'm using my hands, but if you guys don't feel comfortable, you can use a spoon. After one of the sides are golden brown, you can start to flip them. Once we see a nice golden color, we're going to remove the pakora on a paper towel. And here you have it, 3 different types of pakoras. These are super simple to make and these are great for iftar time or any rainy day snack. Do give these recipes a try and let me know how they were in the comments below. As always, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video.